and we're going to put WordPress in here. Actually, no, we're not. We're going to put the contents of WordPress in there. This way, if we put the contents of WordPress in there, we won't have to choose which folder we want to go to when we're first starting up our site. So guys, I'm going to pause this video right now and I will come back when it's at 100%. Okay, so we're at 100%. Everything is uploaded completely. And cancel that. What am I doing? So now if we go to demo.blymcgv123.com, we should have a WordPress installation guide. So this is how you know you've completed it correctly, you've filled in the right database information, and if you screwed up, you'll get an error, but you can always redo it. Make sure you're putting in the right information for your database. So my blog title is Demo, and mail at WicketPixie123.com. Allow my blog to appear. No, this is just a test blog, but you probably want that so you get more viewers. So install WordPress. While this is installing, you're either going to want to head over to my website, BillyMcGovern123.com, or chris.perillo.com, and you're going to want to click WicketPixie. Now this is if you want this WicketPixie theme. I know Barter wants to know how to do it. If you're just trying to figure out how to install WordPress, you can leave this video now. And we are going to download WicketPixie. Once we're on this page, we're going to do latest release, and we're going to download WicketPixie.zip. For this, we're going to do basically the same thing, except we're going to put it in a certain file in our directory. Right here, we see that WordPress is successfully installed. I don't care if you've seen this password because this blog will probably be deleted by the time this video comes out. So we're going to log in. Actually, probably should copy this. Make sure you don't lose your own password. Remember me and log in. Now if we were going to go demo our site or go to demo, we're going to have this default WordPress page as you would see if you made it on WordPress.com. But the reason we're not making this on WordPress.com is because we need the ability to have FTP and configure our own stuff without having to pay WordPress. So now we're going to go into Users, Your Profile, and we're going to put in the password that we want for our WordPress blog. And we're going to save it. This way, we do not have to use the default password that we had to copy and paste before. Alright, so we should have, oops, here's WicketPixie. I'm going to unzip that. And I'm also going to add that to my desktop right over WordPress. To install WicketPixie, it's a lot different than what you're going to do with WordPress. First, you're going to go into WP-content. We're going to themes. Right here you see our themes. Well, instead of dragging in the contents, we're just going to drag in WicketPixie. Again, guys, this is going to take a little while, so I'll be back. Alright, so WicketPixie has fully uploaded. Now, so how do I enable it? We're going to go into Appearance, Themes, and Available Themes, WicketPixie by Chris Perillo. So we can preview this, and this is what our blog will look like. So demo, and then we're going to eventually set up everything eventually. So that's what my blog will look like. I'm going to exit out here, and we're going to activate it. So now it is fully completed. We have our WicketPixie blog, but notice there's nothing here. It looks nothing like my website, which is not up right now, but it looks nothing like mine. We notice that there's some WicketPixie and WicketPixie plugins that we're probably going to enable, or we're going to want to enable. And for me, I have basically every plugin enabled. I think I do. And we're going to save our changes. Now, you're not going to have your blog completely identical to mine because I have done a lot of tweaking. Um, there's some stuff that WicketPixie does not have in it that I've put in. Like as you can see down here, there's the Webaya bar. You're going to have to apply for a beta and eventually you'll probably get a token, but that's something I have done with my blog. Also, I've created this text box, if you will, that sends me an email every time someone wants to subscribe, and I just add them to a subscription list. I also have that, and I just put some ads in here, which you can easily do as well. So back on here, if you want to, I don't know what to say. If you want to customize it, all your customization is here. So I'm not going to go through everything on here because it's very easy to figure out yourself. But if you have any questions, you need help, the best way to contact me is to head over to my website. Also, when you're on my website, hit contact, and from here you can easily drop me a line, send me an email, and I will reply to every email I receive. This is much easier than YouTube because we can talk email instead of comment boxes or private messages. So guys, please send me some comments, visit my site, read it whenever I post new blog posts. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, rate, and comment. Thanks guys.